Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Hutton. Today I'm going to Manchester, so stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now. Hello guys, so this is Waterhouse Gardens, looking absolutely impressive. I love it so much. I think it's a 15-storey block, or a few blocks. I like the look of it, and it looks very promising. So I'm now going to take a look at Collier Yard in Salford and see how much it's improved and how much it's changed. So yeah. So as you can see, Collier Yard Tower 1 and Tower 2 are now complete, looking absolutely superb, and they look very interesting to look at, as both of them have got different cladding styles, and Greengate Salford also looks unique and it stands out. But yeah, they've finished the bottom half of Collier Yard Tower 2 now as well, with the brick cladding. I think it's a nice touch. Different angles in Manchester look just like New York. So as you can see, Trinity Islands is about to top out at 60 stories. I swear that every time I come to Manchester, something bad always happens to me. My bags just come apart on me. So you could see all my wallet and my bus pass and everything. Oh my god. I'm alright now, I think. I've got it fixed. But if it's broke, then I'll just buy another bag. But it's just my luck, that, isn't it? Always happens when I come to Manchester. Like last time it was my shoes. I had blisters and I had to limp home. Anyway, me and now at Trinity Islands. as you can see, Trinity Islands is now topping out, looking absolutely superb. I love it so much. I like how it's got like a blade effect, like the blade tower. It's looking absolutely amazing. Look at that for a view, guys, isn't it amazing? I love Manchester so much. It's just got good vibes all over it. So as you can see, Trinity Islands is nearly topped out at 60 stories. I love it so much. I love the design of the cladding. I think it looks interesting as it's got different styles on both sides. So 360 and the blade are now complete, looking superb next to Elizabeth Tower. It all works very nicely. It's a very nice cluster, and it's also going to change rapidly over the next few years. So I'm just on a walk, guys, around home. It's really nice around here. I really like it. Very quiet though. As you can see, 360 the blade and Elizabeth Tower are behind me. It's a really nice crisp autumn day today. It's right crisp. I've got a bit of a cold. That's why I'm sniffling. Just walking onto Home Park, my favourite Manchester park. So yeah, so this new skyscraper is getting built, which is very exciting. Just over there, Contour. As you can see, there's some new cranes around Deansgate Square. So I'm looking forward to go to see that close up. You can see Contour is now under construction, standing at 158 metres. Very exciting times in Manchester. So the Downings development has come on loads. It's also topped out. A lot of the buildings now are complete in Manchester are topping out, which is very exciting. That means there'll be fresh new buildings coming soon. This one's looking rather nice. I like it very much. It's on the eastern side of Manchester, towards Circle Square and Oxford Road. But it looks really nice. As you can see, it's not far from Deansgate Square. So I'm now walking to get some lunch. I'm so impressed with how Manchester has come on so much. Hi guys, so I'm absolutely sweating. I'm in McDonald's, just getting some lunch. Please excuse me for looking like a sweat mess. This is what I look like when I've been walking around too much. It's normal. When I was on holiday, someone thought I was really poorly because I was sweating so much, but this is just me. It's so busy. Look at all the students. I look like a mess, don't I? Thank you for watching my video guys, I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope it was worth waiting for. See you again soon.